Ada Cardano fam, it is here. Today is the day we're going to dive into what I'm talking about in this video. Some really bullish news here for Cardano. And we're talking about the long term, of course, when it comes to ADA. We've been waiting for this one for quite some time. All I ask is have fun, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's dive in and talk about, because this is long awaited. Cardano's long awaited scaling protocol, Hydra, goes live on mainnet. Cardano, of course, the layer one blockchain protocol, is beating its own personal limits in terms of the launch of new functionalities. In a recent update from IOHK, the startup behind the Cardano protocol, the first Hydra head has recently opened on mainnet, setting an entire new standard for scalability on the POS network. Hydra is a family of layer 2 protocols designed to make Cardano more scalable and adaptable for various use cases that require fast and cheap transactions. The first Hydra head recently opened on mainnet. The video is out there on IOHK's Twitter account, coming out today. And insight shared by Sebastian Nagel, a developer working on the Cardano Hydra protocol, says the goal of driving the development of Hydra is to make a parent blockchain more usable by scaling its transactions. The development of Hydra is considered one of the most important steps in the Cardano ecosystem for this year in 2023. The revelation that first Hydra head is out on mainnet has excited the community and believes this will be putting Cardano in a position to be a really nice, formidable smart contract hub in terms of scaling and transaction costs. He also noted that Hydra is the first of the protocols that will enable Cardano to achieve the ultimate scalability it desires. He confirmed that Hydra head is not an upgrade and is, as such, is not subject to any hard fork. Again, the race to dominate smart contracts is on. We have Ethereum, we have Cardano, we have other layer ones. Everybody is trying to figure out smart contracts and do it better than their competitors. This could help Cardano get there. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below in the comments section. Bullish day here for ADA, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.